This is Matt with Bright Ideas Egress, and I'm here to show you how to fine-tune your egress window after the installation if it's not operating correctly. In this sense, if the gasket of this sash is not sitting against the window frame itself, there's an adjustment. Go to the tilt position of the window, and on the bar that comes across from the window frame, there's a little Allen set that you can fit your 4mm Allen in, and you turn it left or right depending on what you feel like is necessary. If your window is sitting, sometimes the adjustment of the height is off. Open your window to the egress position. There's a little cap on the hinge here. If you pop that out, take your 4mm Allen wrench, slide it into the little screw that's in there. Give it a couple of twists left or right depending on where you have to adjust the window. Then you should be good to go.